The 2002 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, rear defrost, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.